Others Delicacies. Thank you for everyone who's been subscribing. Thank you so much. And for new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. I'm a food blogger, and I cook different types of meals for you to see, different type of recipes. Thank you for coming. So if you are a first-time person on this channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe and press the notification bell. With the notification bell, it tells you when I've uploaded a new video. But for today, what we'll be doing is we'll be making akara today. So come along with me and let's get to make some akara. So guys, I'll be showing you what we're going to be using for the akara today. First and foremost, this is, I've got beans here. So this beans has been washed and it's been peeled as well. It's the Nigerian brown beans. You can use black-eyed beans if you want, but this has been washed and peeled and it's been sieved. So I soaked it. One good thing about soaking the beans is when you soak it, what it does is it makes the blending really smooth. So this has been soaked. Then I've got this is habanero pepper, so just to add a bit of spice to it. I have salt as well. That's salt to taste. Then I have onions. I use a lot of onions when I'm frying akara, because that adds a lot of taste to it, so you might as well use a lot of onions when I'm making the akara. And the final thing I've got sunflower oil. You need to use a lot of oil for your akara. If you don't want it really soaked in oil, you have to put a lot of oil in your akara. So let's start blending. These are the ingredients I'm using. So here is the beans. So what I do, I add my pepper goes in. I add my onions. That's it. I put the pepper, put the habanero pepper, put the onions, and then I put the beans, and then I add a little water. You don't put so much, it's very, very little. I'm not making moi moi, I am making akara. So with you adding that little water, that would make the akara not to be soggy. So it make it, look like as if you're frying pop-off, So that's it. So we'll blend it, and I'll tell you what the mixture is like. Yeah. Alright. So guys, here is the finished blended look of our akara. So mind you, I didn't put a lot of water. You can see how pasty it is. Very, very, very pasty. So what I did is I added a bit of spring onions. You can see the green thing. Spring onions is there. The habanero pepper, I just squashed it and added there. So the final bit is I'm going to be adding salt. You add salt as desired to taste. In Nigeria they say we don't measure salt. We just add it till our ancestors tell us to stop. So you just stir it and then taste for salt. Yeah, I think the salt is okay. Yeah. So you need a lot of oil in this akara if you really want that akara that is not soaked inside oil. When you go and you buy akara on the street and it's so much oil. So I add a lot of oil in order to get that dry akara. But I don't know how to explain this mystery, but you need a lot of oil inside akara. So once you add that, you let that get hot for a while. Then I'll show you what happens. So I'll put the onions. Let's just check how hot once the onions bubbles out, it shows that the oil is good enough to be fried. So let's start frying. So we'll start putting them in lumps. Yeah. We'll start in lumps. Yeah. so you can see how the akara is all popping out from the top to the bottom, and that's because we've added a lot of oil on it. If it was less oil, it will go soggy, so you can put as much as desired. And then you can turn down the heat as well. At this point, do not put too much heat. Allow to fry until it's golden brown, and then you can flip over to the other side. So guys, you can see the akara is all, if you look at it, the consistency is getting all right. So just flip it to one side, flip it to the other side so that the other side could fry very well. You can see how nice the akara is coming, looking all nice, no sogginess happening to the akara. And then we'll leave it for about 5-10 minutes for it to, for the other side to get all right, all cooked. And then your akara will be ready. So you can see the akara. So what we'll do is we just use our toothpick to just check. If the toothpick goes in and you bring it out and you find out that it's all dried up, then the akara is ready. So our yummy akara is ready now. Okay, so we're bringing out the akara now. Bring it out bit by bit, dry it out. That's the akara for you. Coming out, you can see how nice it looks. Very nice and golden brown. You can see, not dried up. Looks like Mama put akara. So nice. So guys, look at the yummy akara. You can see how yummy it is. Do you want to get a bowl of pap and start eating this akara? Look at it, so nice and yummy. You can see what it looks like. Brilliant, beautiful.